Modern kitchens are almost always going to be open kitchens. Open floor plans make the space feel larger and allow greater connectivity between the space and people within. An open kitchen can be a counterpiece to well-designed home. If you are going to build an open kitchen, you want to think that about how the kitchen will function within the entire open area, whether it be the living or dining room. A lot of people love white kitchens, especially when they are aiming for the modern kitchen, but not everyone does. It all comes down to your personal taste. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern kitchen design. If you are not going to build a fully open kitchen, you may consider a pass-through kitchen. This is a kitchen that is partially open with a window-like opening in the wall and a countertop connection the kitchen to an adjacent room. It is not fully open nor is it fully closed. It allows convenience, counter seating and a visual connection. Getting your kitchen layout right is the most important factor in ensuring a functional and practical kitchen area. Whether your kitchen is small or large and expensive, a clear layout will make all the difference in helping you to get the most out of the space. Especially in a kitchen, there is a lot more to layout than just placing furniture. Ergonomics has huge role to play as well. Getting the heights right, ensuring enough space for comfortable movement, placement of appliances, and ease of use all are going to factor in your enjoyment of the room. While the floor plan of your home will most likely determine the layout that your kitchen will have, you can always optimize the area to work better. Here are the most commonly found kitchen layouts with tips to help you do just that. With a very economical use of cabinets, the gallery kitchen consists of two rows of cabinets facing each other. By eliminating the need of corner cupboards, this type of layout uses every millimeter of space without wastage. The uncomplicated design also means that there are fewer special gadgets necessary, make this a cost-efficient option as well. With an additional row of cabinetry, the gallery kitchen already offers more flexibility when it comes to storage space. Especially for bigger families or multiple cook kitchens, it is important to have the work areas along only one of the walls, not both. This will help you to avoid traffic through the work triangle and eliminate the risk of injury. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.